What happens when you blend Italian supercar heritage with the opulence of a luxury yacht, the comfort of a penthouse, and the freedom of a private coach? Introducing the 2026 Ferrari Stradale Motorhome, a hyper-futuristic, high-performance luxury recreational vehicle, RV, that transcends the boundaries of travel. It's not a sedan, not an SUV, not even a conventional RV. This is a mobile luxury mansion on wheels, engineered with Ferrari's racing soul and crafted for those who don't simply move via broken bar they arrive. And trust to say nothing else even comes close. Design that owns every road. From the outside, the Stradale Motorhome commands presence. At nearly 45 feet, sculpted with aerodynamic mastery, it fuses Ferrari hypercar and super yacht aesthetics in one breathtaking silhouette. The front fascia channels a Ferrari concept racer, a sharp nose, slim matrix LED headlights, and exposed carbon fiber accents hinting at its power. Above, the upper level seems to float thanks to panoramic glass walls, mood-lit seams, and golden Stradale badging. The side profile shows flush doors, gold-accented automatic stairs, multiple slide-outs, and blacked-out forged wheels with Ferrari center caps. At the rear, a full-width LED light bar, subtle diffuser, and glowing prancing horse emblem remind everyone that this is art in motion or at rest. Whether by the ocean, in the desert, or on a mountain pass, it dominates the scene. An interior that rivals royalty. Step inside, and you step into a world few can dream of. A dual-level design maximizes height and space, with an open gallery ceiling and glass balustrades joining both levels. The main lounge evokes a luxury penthouse, hand-stitched leather sofas in gold and black, an illuminated bar counter with champagne chillers, Art Deco-inspired ambient lighting, floor-to-ceiling gold-draped windows, a smart coffee table doubling as a control hub, and adjacent to this opulence sits a dining kitchen area combined with seating for 6, high-gloss cabinetry, a concealed induction cooktop, convection oven, under-cabinet lighting, and a wine fridge. It's a gourmet experience on wheels. Private quarters, comfort redefined. The master bedroom is a 5-star hotel suite in motion. A king-sized bed with quilted leather backrest, mirrored walls to enhance space, and views framed by side windows and a skylight. Beyond that awaits a marble-finished bathroom, featuring twin vanities, warm under-sink lights, luxury fixtures, and a circular rain shower with a panoramic rear view. A discreet executive office is tucked nearby, with fold-out desks, USB-C hubs, satellite Wi-Fi, and soundproof walls for work on the go. Tech that outshines the future. This isn't just luxury, it's also a technological marvel. 27-inch central smart panel for all controls, hidden solar array for off-grid freedom, 360-degree cameras and motion sensors, biometric access with face and fingerprint recognition, adaptive noise-cancelling surround sound, augmented reality HUD for the driver's cockpit, and with its AI-driven voice assistant, say sunset mode and watch the blinds close, lights soften, jazz start playing, and the wine cooler hum to life. Performance that deserves the Ferrari badge. It may weigh tons, but the Stradale Motorhome moves with a grace only Ferrari could engineer. Under the sleek body lies a hybrid electric powertrain, combining a turbocharged V8 with dual electric motors for torque vectoring. Nearly 1,000 horsepower delivered to all 6 wheels. 0-100 km/h in under 6 seconds, unheard of for an RV. Top speed, 180 km/h. Electronically limited, adaptive air suspension balancing comfort and handling. Regenerative braking with intelligent battery management. Not just luxury, not just speed. Authority on wheels, safety, autonomy, intelligent protection. Safety isn't optional, it's integral. The Stradale Motorhome offers Level 2 Plus autonomous driving, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist and automatic emergency braking, crosswind stabilization, emergency AI-based evasive maneuvers, a 360° lidar and radar suite for seamless lane changes, parking, and highway autopilot even in a vehicle of this scale. Exclusivity customization. The Ferrari Stradale Motorhome is handcrafted in limited numbers and every unit is a bespoke creation. Owners can select exterior paint, jet black, Rosso Corsa red, pearl white, champagne gold. Interior themes, carbon noir, ivory lux, racing dam. Furniture configurations. Optional rooftop decor, spa module, personal monogram or bespoke racing livery. Price. Ownership competition. Exclusivity carries a price. Base models begin at $2.8 million USD, with fully optioned versions approaching $4.2 million, while rivals like Volkner, Marathon Coach, and Newell offer premium RVs. None deliver the pedigree, performance, and tailored luxury of Ferrari. This isn't just a motorhome, this is a Ferrari Stradale statement A on 6 wheels. So broken bar is the 2026 Ferrari Stradale Motorhome worth it? If you crave speed, comfort, technology, and the envy of every marina, racetrack, and luxury resort, you won't just want the Stradale. You'll insist on it. It's not just the next chapter in RV travel. It's the pinnacle of personal mobility. Let us know in the comments. A. Would you pick the Stradale Motorhome over a mansion on land or a yacht at sea? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more spectacular showcases of the most futuristic vehicles on Earth. This is Auto Explorer A, bringing tomorrow's wheels to today's screen.